Welcome everybody, this is the new Dji Osmo Mobile 3 guys. It really small. I had the Osmo Mobile 3, not the combo, because the combo came with the case and the tripod. I already have a tripod, don't really need a case for now. And the material feels really good. It feels like luxury stuff. And look at this box. Ooh. They got everything in there. They got the book, they got the USB-C, they got the pouch and the wristband. I still don't know how to use that thing, so I just leave it alone. And that waist, if you really like to fold everything you got in hand, that's really helpful. It's really soft, the pocket. I use it, it's really comfy. But I can get a cheap case on eBay or Amazon if I want to. So that's a USB-C right there. The Dji Osmo really make it brand new, because on the 2 they had micro USB-C. Look at that. It's really small. They change almost everything, and you can really balance your phone really easy. And it's less heavier. It's 80 grams less heavier than the Mobile 2. If you got the Mobile 2, definitely yes, you can upgrade. And once you put it down, it's really light. It's not gonna go anywhere. Look at that. But you definitely need a tripod, because it's not gonna stay by itself. But it's all good. Battery indicator, almost the same thing. And that's the USB-C port charger right there. Really good. And the joysticks feel really more comfortable than the Mobile 2. Like when you got your thumbs on it, it's not gonna move anywhere. It's really good guys, really good stuff. And they also had the zoom in and out like the Mobile 2. But right now they got the trigger button. You press it once, it's locked. You press it twice, it's gonna recenter. You press it third time, you're gonna move from back camera to front camera. You also got a cord 20 for your extender selfie stick if you have one, or your tripod, because remember I told you it's not gonna stay by itself. You definitely need a tripod. So I didn't get the combo because I already got the octopus tripod and this selfie stick. So I say I already spent my money on it, so I'm not gonna spend more money. But you can definitely get a case online. And that's the port charger if you want to charge your phone at the same time you're recording, because on the new Mobile 3 you have access to your port charger. On the Mobile 2, the company make it really difficult for you to charge your phone at the same time. But on the 3, you can really charge it easily, because it's not hiding, it's not blocking by anything. Let's put the tripod on it to see how it looks. There we go. Really comfortable guys, and I like this tripod. You can put it everywhere, put it on the tree. Oh, I'm telling you, I love it. Definitely you can upgrade, and I will come with more features, more functionalities on the next video, because there's so much things. They changed the software. They got the DJ Mimo app. Oh my god, that's really good. I'm gonna cover more of those on the next video guys. Thanks you for watching. and see you in the next video.